Now, we're going to take a video of the hospital. Look, right, the sun is shining. Gorgeous. It's actually not as cold even as yesterday. Look how pretty everything is with the snow. Isn't it just magic? I've already done some weather magic. As Sammy Valens, she gave us great inspiration. This is just a little garden. This is the fairy trail. And oh wow, look. We have to go in here now. I know I showed you this yesterday, but how fab is that? With snow on it. Ah. A winter wonderland. If it wasn't spring. This is just fabulous. Yeah, the nurse woke me up at like 7 o'clock this morning for my meds, and she was like, there's a big blizzard outside now, so you won't be able to have any cigarettes. Oh, I'm just after singing this. It has little pearls on it. I won't be sitting on that today anyway. The little hotel. I hope all the fairies are nice and warm in there. Yeah, so I just said I'd show you, and actually I'm going to talk to you about weather magic for a second because there's no one around. But if someone sees me, they probably think I'm like, I should be on the crazy word. No offense to anyone, I've been on crazy words before, so it's fine. I'm allowed to say it. Haha. Oh, that's gorgeous. I'm going to sit down and have a cigarette. There'll be no marijuana for me in the hospital, unfortunately. But yeah, so the weather magic, let's have a look. I'll show you. Right, I'm just doing a little love heart in the snow, but basically you write what you want to manifest. So, or another thing instead of manifestation, right, so you can write like, you know, I want money come to me. But what I think is best for is freezing people out, so binding spells, maybe binding someone away from you, someone with negative juju or whatever. Oh shit, I've only a minute left on this, not even a minute. So binding, I collect the snow. I'm actually going to ring my daddy to collect some snow off for me. Binding, and what was the other thing? Yeah, it's a blank canvas, so basically manifestation is just, it's magic, and also it covers everything, so getting rid of any negativity. Okay, there's the fairy garden just before it cuts me off, and thank you and good night everybody. Love you guys.